मित्रांनो, सर्वांचं आपल्या या चॅनलमध्ये स्वागत आहे आणि सर्वांनी सबस्क्राईब करा. ओके, थँक्यू.
Now, in this period, we are discussing about the pH scale. Okay, what is the pH scale? This is the pH scale. Okay, this is the pH scale. Here, the numbers also started from the 0, 1, 2 up to 14. Okay, and here it is the middle of the 14 is a 7. Okay, and we are discussing about the pH scale. Now here okay, here about the pH scale means pH scale we can use to classify the things. Which types of things? The solutions. pH scale is used to classify the solution into two categories. First is acid or basis. Means in okay, here next the pH is a measure of the amount of what amount of hydrogen plus ion in the solution. Means the pH solution means there the acidic solution or the any solution, how much concentration of the, how much potential of the hydrogen in that solution, that was measured by the pH scale. Whether we are using the pH scale means we are taking the help of that scale to measure the potential of hydrogen in that solution. Got it? Got it? Okay, here means what? Here we can take the help of this indicator, take the help of this indicator to measure the potential, to measure the potential of this, to measure the potential of hydrogen in that solutions. How much potential in that solutions? Which ions? Hydrogen ions potential that was counted or measured by the pH scale. Now next, the more H plus ion and the lower the pH. Okay, what is that? Whether there is the what is first I, more the H plus ions, more the H plus ions, lower the pH. Okay, lower the pH and more the acidic the solution. Again I will repeat for you, clarify that things. Anyone repeat? Ashlesha, can you repeat for me? Yes, you are able to, are you understand these things? Yes, the solution is more acidic. Okay, very good, very good, very good. Okay, means when the pH of that solution, the pH of that solution is lower, the solution pH of that solution is lower, the H plus ion concentration in that means the potential of a hydrogen ion is a lower. Okay, and the acidic solution is the more. Okay, when there is a acidic solution, the pH is lower. the potential of a hydrogen ion is more. Okay, okay, what is more? Here, firstly confirming. What is more? The acidic solution, okay, and the pH ion is more. Okay, these two things are more in that solution. Okay, the pH of that solution is lower. The pH of that solution is lower. Okay, yes, this is the very digital diagram for you. Okay, pH scale means you are clearly understand. Okay, तरी पण आपण एकदा पाहू. We are clearly understand these things. Okay, regarding the pH means the potential. In a last point we are discussing about the potential of hydrogen ions, means whether the more the H plus ions, okay, more the H plus ions, okay, lower the pH, okay, okay, the potential of H ions is more in that solution. The H plus ions means lower the pH. Okay, and here the number 1 to 14 on that pH scale. Okay, this is the neutral solution on the scale. Okay, we are clearly study about it. Okay, here measuring the hydrogen ion concentration in the solutions. Okay, now the gastric acid, we are study in last period about the gastric acid, a lemon juice, apple juice, tomato juice, okay, a black coffee, milk, okay, pure water, okay, egg, baking soda, hand soap, ammonium solution, bleach, the concentration of alkalis, means we are easily understand about the on this digital diagram about the pH scale. Which things are acidic? Below the 7, that all things are acidic, and above the 7 up to 14 all things are basic. Okay, and on the 7 the things are neutral. याच्यानुसार. Okay, now the strong acid, strong base, okay, weak acid, weak base. When a strong acid or a base dissolve in water, nearly all of the acid base molecule will be deassociate into ions. Okay, what happen? There is the deassociation in the ions. What happen? Deassociation. Here you can clearly see. Yes, in the solution deassociation is there regarding the, okay, here ions, hydrogen ions also give the H plus ions, okay, and the chloride also Cl minus ions. Okay, this is regarding the, this is about the HCl, okay, H plus ion and Cl minus ion regarding the strong. म्हणजे here we are study about the strong acid. Yes, Cl, hydrochloric acid is a strong acid. And next diagram is regarding the weak acid, weak bases. Okay, here when a weak acid, weak base dissolve in the water, only a small fraction, only fraction of the acid base molecule deassociate. Okay, deassociate partially, means in a weak acid and weak base there is the partially deassociation in the solution. Okay, with the less ion in a solution. Okay, you are clearly seen in this diagram. Only hydrogens, a few ions are there here. Okay, and few negative ions also there. There is a less potential for danger because there are less ions available in reaction. Okay, there is no danger. Why? Because of there are not availability of ions is less, both strong or base. Acid or base. Okay, ions. Why? When we are taking the example of a copper, okay, copper is a good electricity conductor because of the presence of ions is more in that copper. Okay, now the strong weak acid example. Okay, here strong acid, HCl, hydrochloric acid. Okay, that was stomach acid ज्याला आपण म्हणतो, that was present in stomach. Okay, now next H2SO4, sulfuric acid, that was used in a battery, that's why it is battery acid. Okay, a nitric acid, HNO3, here weak acids. Okay, HC2H3O2. Okay, acetic acid means vinegar. You can write this like C2H4O2. Okay, means we are easy to understand. C2H4O2 means vinegar or acetic acid. Next, that is what is that? Citric acid. It is present in a lemon, orange. Okay, that is the citric acid. Next is strong bases. Which are the strong bases? Here the first is NaOH, sodium hydroxide. Okay, any alkali or alkaline earth metal with a OH means OH minus ions. Potassium hydroxide example. Weak bases, aluminium hydroxide, AlO3, OH3, sorry. Okay, often found in a deodorant. It was found in deodorant. Okay, NH4OH, ammonium hydroxide or ammonia used in a cleaning product. Okay, that was about the weak basis. And neutralization reaction. Okay, neutralization reaction means what? There was the product, neutral product, that was a form in the reaction. Neutralization is a chemical reaction between an acid and base that take place in a water solution. Okay, that was take place in which solution? Water solution. When acid and bases react with H plus ions from the acid, react with OH minus ions from the bases to form, okay, water and salt, to form HOH ions or water and salts. Means we are write this reaction like this: acid plus base, okay, salt plus H2O, or we can write this like HCl plus NaOH, okay, NaOH, like this. Now you are able, okay, yes, this NaCl plus H2O, this is the reaction. Okay, means here salt and water is formed. Overall pH become neutral. Why it is called neutralization reaction? Because of the pH of this solution is neutral. The pH of this solution is neutral, means there is the no presence of a H plus ions, means no showing the acidic or a basic character in that solution. Okay, thank you all of you. सर्वांचं खूप सहकार्य मिळालं. आता सर्वांनी सबस्क्राईब करायचं. ओके, बाय.